The flag of Western Australia consists of a blue ensign defaced with the badge of the state. Adopted in 1953 to replace a similar design used from the time when the state was still a British colony, it has been the flag of Western Australia since 3 November of that year. The design of the present flag entailed reversing the direction of the black swan so that it faced towards the hoist. This was done in order to adhere to vexillological convention. Western Australia's flag is similar to the flags of the other 5 Australian states, which are also blue ensigns with their respective state badges. The first confirmed European sighting of the western coast of Australia was made by the Dutch East India Company in the early 1600s. During an expedition in January 1697 to what is now Cottesloe, Willem de Vlamingh observed black swans in habitation at the estuary of the river there. He consequently named this body of water the Swan River. However, the Dutch abandoned aspirations to annex the area, having discerned poor prospects for trade or colonization. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.